What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. We got the griddle nice and hot right now. We're making some Huevos Rancheros on the griddle today. I'm not even gonna get into the ingredients. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing it with. So let's just dive in. What do you say? Gonna throw down a little peanut oil. Gonna throw down all these veggies. Now we got some whites and greens from scallions. We got tomato. We got diced jalapeno. Got a lot of stuff in here. Let's just get this stuff going. All right, let's get this chorizo going. Right here. So we got the griddle at about 400 over here, about 450 in the middle. So we're just gonna turn up these veggies again. We're just gonna keep turning them up. I'm gonna let these cook for a few minutes. I want them to start to get soft. I want the juices from the tomatoes to start to kind of come out and all that good stuff. I'm actually gonna turn these two burners down to low because it's nice and hot and it's gonna stay good. So let's just let this stuff chill. Let's let those tomatoes cook up nicely. I'm gonna get my pan going. Got my number 6 Wagner up here. I'm gonna just put that right up front. I'm gonna put the chorizo and the beans in there. So boom, I'm just gonna let this stuff cook up and we'll bring you back in just a second. Got some nice color action on that chorizo. So I'm gonna just put this paper towel right there and we're gonna just plop the chorizo on here. I wanna get some of that grease out of there. I don't want my beans swimming in grease. So that's gonna be good. We got the beans right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw some of these on. I'm only gonna use half of this can, roughly half. All right, that's good. All right, boom, that chorizo should be good. Don't burn me. Just let that go in there. There you go. All right, we're gonna be mixing that stuff up. So that was an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. I used about half of it. Now let's get going on these tortillas. Ooh, got the griddle nice and warm right now. So I got corn tortillas. Just gonna use 2 of them. Just wanna fry these bad boys up. Wanna basically make them into tostadas. And this stuff's heating up nicely. Ooh, buddy. This is gonna be so good. Man, this is looking good. It's smelling good too. I haven't even put the seasoning in. That's what we're about to do right meow. All right, what do we got here? We got some garlic salt. A little bit of that. Some chipotle chili pepper. A little bit of that, some smoked paprika, a bit of that, and oregano. All right, mix this stuff up. We're done. This stuff's done. I'm just putting the seasoning in, letting it chill for a few. Boom, it's time to put this on some food. All right, these tortillas are looking good. I'm just gonna go ahead and get these off. These things are nice and hot. Want them to chill, cool off for a hot second. I'm here. them on a paper towel right there. Now let's work on the egg. I'm just gonna put a little avocado oil down. Everything's done except this. Oh, yeah. All right, 2 eggs, cooking them up. Thank you. Wipe the hands, gotta wipe the hands. All right, let's give these, we're gonna put a little bit of the, oop, that's hot. A little bit of the chorizo beans. Gonna put some of that on these shells. Ooh, buddy. We're just gonna spread that around on them. These eggs are about done. See how we're looking? Oh yeah, just gliding right around. Ooh. Now they're gonna be a little dirty from all that chorizo and whatnot, but I don't care, because these things are gonna be delicious. All right, finishing touches. Just sprinkle a little cilantro on here. Oh, man, this is just looking too good. Now, I wasn't sure how the salsa, whatever you want to call it, I wasn't sure how it was gonna do. I was hoping it'd be a little more runny, but I mean, it's still gonna turn out really good. So let's dive in and just eat it up. Ooh, them yolks are nice and good. This shell is nice and crunchy. Could basically make this a tostada. Come on, baby, get out of here. Want that bite? Here we go. Got it all. Oh. That is right. Ooh, that is good. Nice crunchy tostada. Can't break through it with a knife. There we go. That chorizo was a real nice touch in them beans, man. Nice little spice. That is delicious. I'm gonna get in and eat my dinner, y'all. Appreciate you coming along. Smash that thumbs up. Let me know how you do your Huevos Rancheros. I'm curious. I know there's a lot of different ways to do it. A lot of people don't use the shell, but I like it. So, appreciate you coming along. Hit that thumbs up for me. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook, and try and stay cool.